Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So I am back with another mini tutorial, and today we are going to be focusing on the Colourpop Agate wad. I thought this would be perfect for February since amethyst is the gemstone for the month, and although Colourpop did release a full-on amethyst palette, this little quad here did release with their other gemstones. So I know agate and amethyst is two different stones, but I googled and they are kind of a good comparison. They're not the same, but they could be a comparison, and I think with the purples in here and this look, I think it's very amethyst, so I thought it'd still suit the month of February. So this quad here is $9 for 4 shadows. You get 2 mattes and 2 metallics. So with that being said, if you guys are curious about this eye look here, then please continue watching. Alright, so hopping right into it, we are starting off with eye primer. Of course, I'm using the Colourpop Party Proof Eye Primer, just applying that all over my lids and tapping that out with my ring finger. So the first shade we're taking is called Psychic, and this is a matte muted purple, and this is going to be the base color, sort of the transition for our eye look. So I'm applying that right onto my lids, and then I will slowly blend that up. Because a Psychic is a little bit more darker on my complexion, I would describe this to be like a medium tone, so it's quite dark to just like start off with. So just take a little bit on your brush and then work with that, and I always like to go back and forth with different brushes, so just making sure that I am getting this well blended up into my crease so we have that soft base, and that's going to help with the overall eye look. So I'm also going to take that onto my lower lash line as well. I'm just going to sweep that right from the outer corner right to the inner corner. Now taking the shade a Long Distance, this is a matte deep plum, and we are going to focus this mainly on the lid space. So Long Distance is a pretty dark color, but it blends out really well. I feel like with darker shadows sometimes they can be patchy, especially when it comes to these like burgundy colors, but I think Colourpop does these burgundy and plum colors really well, because I really never had a bad experience with one. They blend out like a dream for like a really dark shadow, and as you can see, this one goes super dark. It's going to make our eye look very vampy, which I do love. And as you can see here, I'm just like going back and forth with my brushes. When you're playing with very dark, intense colors, it's just important to go back with your brush and further blend. So now I'm going to take that onto my lower lash line. I'm taking it on a defining brush, and I'm just going to press that all along my bottom lash line to create that ultra smoky look. Now for the shade So Healing, this is a metallic violet. It is so pretty. I'm going to be taking this right at the center of my eyes, and I'm so sorry, but I don't know why my camera wanted to literally focus on the screw of my door and not on my eyeshadow, but it will focus in a couple seconds. But I just applied that to the center of my eyes and I blended out to the outer edges, and then I also took it onto my lower lash line as well, and as you can see, it kind of just gave more dimension to our eye look. Lastly, going into the shade called Gem BB, this is a metallic mauve with a blue duochrome shift. It is another stunning metallic, and I'm just going to apply that right at the center of my eyes, right on top of So Healing, again just for more dimension, more flip. But I also did take the M Cosmetics Cosmic Pearl eyeshadow in Luna just to highlight my inner corners. It is just like a silver metallic. And now I'm just going to go ahead and create my wing with my black liquid liner. I will take a matte black eyeshadow to help smudge and smoke that wing out. I'm also taking a liquid liner just to tightline my upper waterline, so that way my lash line can look its fullest. And now giving my lashes a good curl to prep them for falsies, applying mascara. This one is from e.l.f. And then for my false lashes today, I'm wearing the style Blessings from House of Lashes. Just taking some little crystals, these are also from Colourpop as well. I'm placing 2 mini ones right at the center on my lower lash line. And this, you guys, is the completed look for the Agate quad from Colourpop. We're just gonna call this my amethyst look for February, but this look is super sultry. I think the purple tones really bring out the brown contact, and I just really like how this look turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed another mini tutorial from me. If you did enjoy, give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate it so much. But thank you so much for watching. I'll go ahead and see you guys in my next video. Bye!